Welcome to the world of AxiChain and how it works. Let me take you on an Axi tour. Buyers and sellers have to register right here. During registration, sellers include their industry code identifier, such as a PIC for Australian beef farmers. AxiChain digitally affirms your information with the relevant industry body. A similar process is used to verify buyers. Once in the framework, sellers enter details of their products for sale. AxiChain confirms the product, which is then available in the marketplace for buyers to view and negotiate. Buyers can also advertise product requests, which AxiChain can automatically match to suppliers. In the security and privacy of AxiChain's ecosystem, buyers and sellers agree the terms of trade, which is blockchain logged and forms the smart contract. This is confirmed with the user's digital signature. Payment for trade is placed in the buyer's secure digital holding wallet visible to sellers. Wallets are assigned during registration. With payment secured, AxiChain starts the live trade process. QR codes are created for visibility and traceability of the life cycle of the product and summary of export documentation. Anti-tampering labels, GPS, and temperature trackers are placed in boxes for monitoring safe passage of products. Using the AxiChain app, you will be continually updated via SMS, email, and have access to shipping documents such as the bill of lading. Funds are released at agreed trigger points. Once the trade is concluded, profile ratings are updated to reflect the successful trade. More customers, streamlined, digitalized paper processes, and complete visibility of trade. To become a part of this awesome advanced community, register via the AxiChain website.